everyone, welcome to the 9th episode of Xtreme Update. Today, we're about to unveil something truly exceptional. Imagine this. You're driving down the highway and you see a magnificent digital billboard that just makes you go, wow. Well, get ready to be amazed because Xtreme Media has outdone its set once again and broken its own record by installing India's largest digital billboard of size 100 by 40 feet. Yes, you heard that right. This jaw-dropping screen is part of the Rigel glass series, depicting mind-blowing crystals and color clarity, thanks to its maximum brightness of 5,500 nits. With a pixel pitch of 5.9 mm, the digital billboard is IP65 rated, fight any weather conditions in India, and comes with an extreme Platina severe warranty. Setting up such a colossal screen poses a significant challenge, especially since it's strategically placed next to the railway tracks of Chunabadi station. Huge kudos to the Xtreme Media team for flawlessly executing such a huge task. And let me tell you, the impact this gigantic screen has created is simply unbeatable and is winning many hearts who pass by the sign first. Until next time, this is Xtreme Media signing off.